If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your DoorDash account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down, select Account Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll through the account settings until you find the Security or Two-Factor Authentication option. Tap on it to view your current authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the two-factor authentication section, you should see an option to disable it. Tap on the toggle up button to turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling, you might receive a confirmation message or email. Check your account to ensure that two-factor authentication is now turned off. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your DoorDash account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.